Hi friends, hope you're doing good. Welcome. In case you're a jump rope beginner looking at leveling up your jump rope workout in terms of stamina, endurance and just the pure joy of jumping for long durations, this video is for you. I really hope you find it useful. I like to call this timed jump rope workout as the jump rope boxing rounds, inspired by the structure of boxing matches, where you have 3 minutes of boxing, 1 minute of rest, repeated multiple times. The 3 minutes the boxers spend in the ring are 3 minutes of high adrenaline, pure energy, hyper intensity and laser sharp focus. That is why you'll see a lot of boxers, in fact most of the boxers, including the simple workout tool, the jump rope, in their exercise routines. The jump rope not only helps them with their footwork but also helps them to stay light on their feet and helps in mental focus and clarity. In this timed jump rope workout, we'll go for 3 minutes of jumping and 1 minute of rest. It is not necessary that you go continuous. If you are a beginner and you trip, no problem. Just restart, but don't take a break within the 3 minutes of jumping. For today's workout, I'll use the cross rope quarter pound rope and I'll track my jumps with the cross rope amp and the cross rope app. You can use the rope of your choice, and timers, a lot of options are available. You can use any timer that you can access. At the end of the workout, I'll share you the screen from the app to see the number of jumps we have done, the calories we have burnt, etc. for one round. There you have it, friends. 3 minutes of jumping. We did 414 jumps and we burnt 62 calories. As you can see, friends, this is a very quick and effective workout, and if we can incorporate it in an early morning workout, we can be assured of a fantastic day ahead. That's it, friends, for today's video. I really hope you found it useful, and in case you give it a try, do come back and give your feedback. Till I see you in the next video, enjoy your jumps, stay safe, take care, and bye-bye.